Welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernandoherrera and I'm in the journey to financial wellness in Las Vegas. This is my daily stock portfolio update and I share my buys and sells on my Fidelity brokerage account where I deposit $1,000 every month. If you don't want to miss out any of my future videos, please subscribe and don't forget to click that like button since this really helps my channel like a whole bunch. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Today, the indexes are all up, which to my surprise, yes, I was very surprised, honestly, that they were up because during the weekend, if you were aware, England pretty much announced their shutdown. So I was really thinking that the market was going to perform in a negative way, but apparently elections take priority in the US and the markets seem to be reacting a little bit more positive. Now, today our biggest losers and winners, as you guys saw previously, was Planet with our biggest gains, and Chewy and Broom continuing to lose. Chewy we have been trimming for a while now. Now, Broom is one of the stocks that we had started to increase a position back, but now we actually, I'm probably going to stop because I'm already reaching that 25% loss, and I don't want to be buying that stock right now. If it continues going down, I probably will continue buying, but at this moment, I'm just going to wait. Now, I do apologize, guys, because I was supposed to have my $1,000 deposited by this time, but they are in transit. Also, I have not done any sort of activity ever since my last video. I only received 3 dividends, pretty much totaling like $1.50. Now, with that being said, I will be talking about my buy in Boeing and UPS. But let's go ahead and start first with Boeing. Boeing last week reported earnings, and after reporting earnings, they pretty much were slaughtered in terms of their stock. Their stock was underperforming for the whole last week, and even though Boeing is pretty much in extreme uncertainty, they have a lot of debt, and they pretty much are, they had this scandal with their MAX. Pretty much everything's not going well. Also with racing COVID-19 cases across the US and pretty much the world, it just adds a lot of uncertainty to air travel. But long term, honestly, and with a vaccine coming soon, I think that once that vaccine comes up to the market, which there's expectations that it could be very soon, I really look very optimistically about Boeing towards 2021. Or if anything, I do believe it's going to be a better year than 2020. And therefore, I'm increasing my position now so that I could hold this stock more towards the long term. Now, the other stock that we're going to be talking about is UPS and why I'm buying today UPS. As you guys will see in my video, I'm going to be adding a 25% 15% of UPS, which is roughly a $14 purchase. The reason I'm pretty much adding to UPS today is because I think that the near-term dynamics create an attractive long-term buying opportunity. Same thing pretty much as Boeing. UPS was a little bit hit hard last week, especially because of their more candid, or pretty much they told investors that they expect less revenues or less profits for the fourth quarter, and investors don't like that. So I'm just going to buy this and hold. Not to mention they do have a very attractive 2.5 dividend yield. So I'm definitely going to go with UPS because again, we've had it part of our portfolio. If you want to know more about why I'm holding UPS, there is a video where I go a little bit more in deep, but today was just to announce that I'm adding more into my UPS position. Also, guys, some piece of advice right here. If you have been having a stock that you wished you would have sold when the market was performing bad past week, I mean, this probably is a good day since I'm surprised we're even having a green day. I'm looking more towards red numbers throughout the week until past the election and probably after the election. So just keep that in mind. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.